recruits will be subject to a mandatory full-body search, inside and out. I know some of you may feel a little uncomfortable at the idea of having a giant Russian mercenary perform a full cavity search, but don't worry. He nearly always manages not to tear out anything too vital. You may even enjoy it. I know I did. Ooh.
Someone's fighting over here! We are gonna hurt you, Batman! Some kind of fight going on over there! Time to retire, Bat!
Speak.
Oh, Batman, you sound impatient. That is good. That is very good. You'll need that to solve my little game. You may have heard that I have been providing salvation to the mindless drones lucky enough to answer my calls.
Hardly salvation. You've been killing them.
That's a question of perspective. For example, from where I'm standing, I can see 3 little piggies just waiting for me to cure them of life. From their perspective, I'd imagine they see things differently.
If you hurt them, Zez, I will hunt you down.
I bet you will. But first, a little game. Right now, somewhere in Arkham City, there's a phone ringing. I know it's a big place, but you need to find it. Take too long, and I kill these piggies. And don't try anything clever. I had a friend help me bounce the signal through every relay from here to Bloodhaven. You'll never find me. Now hang up that phone and start running. Ring, 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 ring. ever tell you about my first kill, Batman? No? As I am sure you are aware, my parents were dead and I was rich. So rich I could have anything I wanted, but of course, all I wanted was them back. I now know that that was impossible, of course, that their death served a higher purpose. But back then, I had yet to experience the joy of cold steel cutting through warm flesh. I had no idea how I could save these people from the relentless misery of their existence.
You should have stayed that way.
Really? Then I'll stop now. Find another telephone, Batman. Goodbye.
Crazy freaking weather.
There's some kind of fight going on over there. You're gonna die, freak! You're gonna... This won't take long.
We have Batman.
Tell us where Wayne went. I don't know. Please, if I knew, I'd tell you. Eddie, you could have saved yourself a big world of pain. No, please. Oh, God, someone help me. Don't cry, Fish. You just need to learn. We won't kill you. That would be too easy.
You're lucky we found you first. How do you think things would have gone down if Penguin got his hands on you? Yeah. Or Joker, or one of the others.
We're doing you a favor. You may want to thank us. I guess we chose the wrong side.
Nah, the boss will be okay. Batman's just an inconvenience.
Yeah, he'll regroup, find a way to take over.
How can you be sure? Look out! It's Batman!
Do not attempt to escape from this facility. Tiger operatives will pacify any attempted
Batman in sight.
prejudice.
Batman sighting. We have Batman in sight. We've lost sight of Batman. I repeat, target is missing.
Tiger 5 to command. We have a visual on a distress flare on a rooftop in the East Arkham.
him! Kill him!
We'll kill you, bastard! This'll be easy. You may want to run, man.
The containment wall surrounding Arkham City is designated out of bounds to all prisoners. Do not approach the containment wall.
This place gets more dangerous every day. It's the Bat!
Told you, it's Batman! Get him! I'll kill you, Bat Freak!
Arkham City provides regular food drops at designated points throughout the day. Food drops will only occur at these times and in these...
Someone's ignited a distress flare on this rooftop. Either someone inside needs my help, or it's a trap.
I must get it all. Surprised to see me, Batman?
A little. Last time I saw you, you were wrapped around the hood of my car.
You knew it would not kill me.
I wasn't trying to. I'm in no mood for a fight. What are you doing here?
Dr. Young's Titan formula. The Payaso managed to send some off Arkham Island before you stopped him.
How much more did Joker manage to get off the island?
Too much. That is why I am here. I will not allow the basura of this city to abuse the Titan. Dr. Young used me to create it. It is my duty to destroy what remains.
I'll help you, but understand this. If you try anything, I'm taking you down too. We find Titan containers, we destroy them. Deal?
Of course. Each container has a radio beacon built in. There were 12 containers left in this city. We take 6 each, then we meet back here.
6 each? Fine. Today isn't a good day to lie to me, Bane. Remember that.
Boss figures Joker's crew will be making their move soon. He doesn't want him getting in here, and we are gonna make sure he gets what he wants. No problem. Looking forward to kicking some clown ass. Me too. Good. When they come, I don't want to see them. If they come my way, they'll be in a wheelchair. Who the hell is that strange guy, anyway? Do you really think Batman blew up the church?
Yeah. I mean, he was the last one in. Next thing, it's on fire.
Batman! He's here!
Arkham City provides regular food drops at designated points throughout the day. Food drops will only occur at these times and in these locations. Prisoners are responsible for ensuring food is distributed fairly.
It's time to decide. Are you tough enough to sign up with Penguin? Or are you just chicken? What is it? I'll join Penguin. Always hated the Joker. Me too. Good. All you need to do then is pass the trials. Don't get too friendly with each other. Penguin's gonna make you fight for the right to stand with him. Most of you worms won't survive. Some of you will...
Amusement! He's kicking their asses! Get him!
What are you waiting for, pal?
Find my phone, Batman, or the killing starts. You made it. I think I will continue my story. I feel the need to talk, to confess maybe. I was rich and alone, but not for long, of course. I took to gambling, or maybe it took to me. If only I had been good at it. I may not be where I am today. As my life spiraled out of control, I desperately formed a plan. A plan to win back my parents' money and be happy again. It didn't work, of course. Plans like that never do. But as I stood outside the Iceberg Lounge on that hot summer night, I remember feeling something. Hope, maybe.
Throw us a friggin' bone already.
wall separates you from the good people of Gotham City. It is there to protect them from all residents of Arkham City.
Haven't I given you enough problems to deal with? Leave that alone. It's not for you.
Let me guess. More snow.
Batman in here? That freak doesn't know when to quit.
This crate really full of Titan?
Yeah, I heard the Joker sent a bunch of it off the island before sticking the rest of it in himself.
That's why he's sick, right?
I guess.
It's not toxic, is it? Or radioactive or whatever? You saw what it did to the Joker.
I don't think so. Nah, can't be. We just do what we're told and guard it for the man in charge.
This place is a total hellhole.
Maybe Mayor, but Sharpie's still the same old a-hole. All the nuts in one place and
Escape from this Tiger will pacify any
Batman! He's kicking their asses!
prejudice.
Target is lit. I repeat, we have positive on Batman.
more snow. Damn it, end already. No escape. That's bullcrap. There has to be a door out.
Kill people on an empty stomach.
Time to die. Time to die. I've got him! It's over here!
All Arkham prisoners are responsible for their own care. Limited medical resources.
I need to find and destroy the rest of the Titan containers.
At least they could